Hi guys, Mark here from Iona Classic. We're looking today at this rather lovely MG ZA. She's from 1955. She's currently up for sale on eBay at the moment. The owners are getting a little bit on with problems and difficulties, as we all do. So we are going to look around this lovely car today to see what you get for your money. The links will be supplied below, along with any additional information you need on the car supplied by way. She's structurally sound, there's no rust at the moment. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod now. We're going to have a look around the car to see what you get. Okay, starting from the front then, we come around the car to have a look at some of the things we got. We started in the inside front wing. Now you see the metalwork is actually in fantastic condition. The area requires a little bit of a tighten. But as you can see from the metal in the wings, this is from the wing mirror mountings, the car was stripped down for cleaning. These actually, the wings are in good condition. The hubcaps as well are in fantastic condition, with virtually brand new set of tyres all around on the car. The wheels have been just refurbished only a few weeks ago. As we come around to the brightwork on the front of the car, again, all in super condition. There's a little bit of patina which needs fixing up. So we come around the headlights, and for the money I think is around about £5,000. There's a small dent in the front here which needs rectifying. But the chrome work does need refreshing overall. The car starts on the button. First turn of the key, she starts first time every time. It's the ZA with the curved front chrome strip over the fender to the front bumper, as opposed to the ZB which added the javelins down the side. We come back up over the front wing now. We look at the bonnet. Let's see again, there's no dents, no marks or anything to the bonnet. And as an everyday driver, she's in excellent condition, with all the wipers, the air vents, etc. all working. I said this is a restoration car, and she's had a majority of the work already done. The metalwork is in excellent condition. Okay guys, we're looking around the car now. I've had to come to voiceover because there was traffic in the background. The chrome on the front needs retouching. A lot of the new parts are in the boot ready to replace the chrome on the front, along with the grille. As we look down the flanks of the car now, we can see there is no dents in the skin at all. The car was resprayed a few years ago as part of its restoration process, which Wayne can no longer continue with. The chrome strip over the front, again, no dent into it, and when you open the doors inside, it is fitted with 4 brand new cards and handles, rope handles for closing the doors. They are beautiful. The leather itself requires a refresh on the seats, but all the plating has all been done as part of Wayne's work, along with the wheels refurbished. There's a brand new boot lid as well fitted to the car and requires some adjustment and tinkering for a closer fit. The driver's door requires a little bit of adjustment, and as we look down the flanks on the left hand side as well, there's no bubbling, and with the black paint any mistakes would show up. I would probably say the car is 75% finished, with a lot of work needed on the fine attention to detail on the. One of the first things here I do like, and most importantly, is the lights. The lights aren't cracked, they're in fantastic condition, and one of the harder things to get these days on the cars. Wayne has everything together for you, you just need to put in the time and effort to finish it. Okay, under the hood we have this lovely B series engine 1500. She's currently undergoing work as well. The carburetors have been fully rebuilt at the moment. As you can see, it's got twin pancake filters fitted on the SU carburetors, twin SU carburetors, with all new banjos etc. gone in to the plumbing. The crank rebreather is missing off the top. As I said, she's currently working. The front radiator bar, this has been replaced. This is brand new. This is one of the jobs, many jobs being carried out. There's a brand new radiator. This has been recently fitted. Again, one of the many jobs being done in the resurfacing of this vehicle. There's a new coil on the alternator. Well, a new coil pack fit on top of the dynamometer, I think, actually, dyno. But this car at the moment is absolutely begging for a new owner to put it back on the road. Parts numbers there. Part numbers there. Series ZA, car number KAE13, engine number 3P15GA, the MG Car Company Limited, Abingdon-on-Thames. So she's a genuine MG, made in the UK and England, and not from overseas. Not saying that the overseas aren't genuine cars, but this was made in the UK factory. And as we're coming out, I look at the seals. They could do with a little bit of renovation work, but nothing too major to stop the car from being used at any time daily. The seam between the coachwork and the wing has got a leaded seal around the main body line here, and there's absolutely no signs or cracks or anything at all of any previous harm. The chrome for the rear windows was taken out for refreshing, along with the rest of the chrome on the car. The car itself, I'm going to squeeze a nut, with no problems known to the owner. It's just a little bit tired in some places, and wants a little bit of refreshing to bring it up to standard. That's if you wanted to, for using it as a show car. But for a daily use car, if you want to take it and drive it straight away now, there's nothing to stop you from doing that. If you look down the panels now, the panels are straight. There's no dents in the panels, there's no signs of filler work. And we come across the other side, have a look the same again now. There you are, straight down the side, she's as straight as a die. Let's close the door. Okay, the hinge wants a little bit of adjustment, nothing major. We have a look now inside. And as we're coming out, I look at the seals. They could do with a little bit of renovation work, but nothing too major to stop the car from being used at any time daily. The seam between the coachwork and the wing has got a leaded seal around the main body line here, and there's absolutely no signs or cracks or anything at all of any previous harm. The chrome for the rear windows was taken out for refreshing, along with the rest of the chrome on the car. The car itself, I'm going to squeeze a nut, with no problems known to the owner. It's just a little bit tired in some places, and wants a little bit of refreshing to bring it up to standard. That's if you wanted to, for using it as a show car. But for a daily use car, if you want to take it and drive it straight away now, there's nothing to stop you from doing that. If you look down the panels now, the panels are straight. There's no dents in the panels, there's no signs of filler work. And we come across the other side, I've got the same again now. There you are, straight down the side, she's as straight as a die. Let's close the door. Okay, the hinge wants a little bit of adjustment, nothing major. We have a look now inside. She's not a 100% concourse example, not by any means, but for the price reflected around about £4,500 to £5,000, I think she's a great starting point for somebody as a first project restoration. The measure told is 40,159 on the odometer. As we look inside the cockpit now, we can see as some of the welding work has already been done. Around the bulkhead is all clean and tidy. The runners have been replaced on the chair, on the seat flooring due to cracking, etc. That's all the welding has been done there. The brand new door cars, you can see, are still being fitted and tailored to the car. His attention to detail is excellent. We look in the back of the car now, and you will see all the spare parts and everything which he's accumulated for fitting this car. Is 75% done. Just your extra work needed to finish the project. Right, okay, so the situation with Wayne's car is on eBay now for £5,000. eBay takes around about 10% on a car sale. So he said he's actually prepared to take less for cash if you was to contact him now. So the link is down below in the description for the MG ZA Magnette, and I hope to see you on the next one. It's going to be a project for somebody. You can jump in and drive it, but to bring it up to a relatively decent condition, it does require some work. So thank you for watching, and pop along see Wayne and see what he's got. Thanks and bye bye.